Hi there, welcome to Olivia, and today's tutorial is on drip campaigns. Um, Before we start, if you require any assistance from us, you can click on this bubble here and you can contact our support team, or you can email us at support@getolivia.co. Right, so let's move quickly on to how to create a drip campaign and to get the most out of this. So just a quick definition, if some of you don't know, a drip campaign is a method used to acquire customers through lead nurturing. And how that is done is we pipeline a set of messages created by yourself, which are sent out on in periodic delays. We suggest that the delay for each message increases, to not damage any reputation which you have over badgering your leads, and B, also to give them as much time as possible to come back into the pipeline. Research suggests that it takes between 8 to 10 touch points before you decide a lead is no longer worth having in your pipeline. But obviously this varies on the product you're selling. So I'll give you a little bit of advice on that right now. But here is a very basic drip campaign which we set up for you as a default. This can be edited much in the same way as scripts can. You can just remove questions by clicking here. If you click edit, you can change the language here. You can also use the merge fields to enrich the messages should you wish to. If you wish to add another message to the campaign, you just simply click add another message here. And all you need to do is choose the delay which you wish to have. So let's just say it's 7 days, and you'll type in the message there, and that message would be saved to the drip campaign as well. So as soon as a message is sent out, if a lead replies, then one of our agents will come back to them within 5 minutes, which is great because essentially you can leave this lead nurturing on autopilot, but as soon as a reply comes in, a real person is going to handle this lead immediately. So that's just a quick sort of synopsis on what drip campaigns are, how they work, and how you can create them. Like the script section, and I very much encourage this, if you click on the new source button, you can create an individual drip campaign for particular lead types. Now, the reason why this is quite useful in this particular section is potentially a sales lead may be more valuable to you. Maybe I would suggest having a longer set of messages, so potentially up to 6 to 8 touch points before you decide to remove them from your pipeline. Maybe a general inquiry requires only 2 to 4 touch points, and a lettings inquiry somewhere in between. But it's up to you to decide. Those are just merely some guidelines. So yeah, as soon as a message is sent out and a lead responds to that, our agent will handle that conversation, and that will be again pulled into your dashboard, so you can see this conversation happening in real time. But essentially, your lead nurturing and your drip campaigns are set on autopilot, and the great thing about this is traditionally these low priority leads which don't respond back to you are often ignored, and it's obvious that you don't want to set too much time to your sales team to follow up on these leads, but this is done on autopilot. The sales team can prioritize their workflow on much more urgent leads, and we can take care of the low priority leads, carry on nurturing them, and hopefully bring them to a point where they're ready to buy. Hope you've enjoyed that and that's been useful. If you have any questions, you can just click on the bubble here and contact the support team, or like I said, just email us at support@getolivia.co, and we'll see you next time for the next tutorial. Have a great day.